What's up, YouTube? So today we are filming something. We're filming my friend Joey's 5.0 Mustang. It's a 2012, it's white, it's pretty cool. Right now I'm waiting for him to get here and I'm doing an oil change and tags really quick. Oh, and check out the shirt that I got from Hannah Ray, because she's the best. It says, "Life is too short to drive boring cars." And it has a little steering wheel here that Ray likes to play with. Yeah, see, exactly. Yeah, but we're doing an oil change, and also I have an exhaust leak somewhere underneath. So I'm gonna try figuring out where that is and seeing what I have to buy to fix that. There he is. It's so loud.
Oh. It's a Mustang.
I heard that. Yeah.
I hit a huge ass pothole when I did it. The car's like, what?
Yeah, say hi to the vlog.
You film with your phone?
I film it with my phone, yeah.
What's up, motherfucker? You're gonna have to censor a lot of shit. I curse a lot.
Just send it. Dude, that's crazy loud. So, 2012, right?
2013.
2013, 5.0.
5.0, full exhaust, Cook's headers, Cook's off-road X-pipe, boiler over axle pipes which delete the resonators, boiler packs. So for any of the Coyote guys, they'll tell you, oh, that's obnoxious, but I personally like it. Besides that, it's lowered 1.5 inches all the way around. It's on Coney orange struts and shocks. It's got a Exity Mach, whatever they call the State Street clutch, I forget, 700, 750, whatever. MGW shifter, 4-inch Cervini's cowl hood, carbon fiber wrap roof, a bunch of other stuff that I probably don't even remember right now. A bunch of other mods that are kind of subtlety mods. But yeah, it'll like I was telling you before, it's going to be supercharged probably by the end of this week.
It's crazy.
With a VMP 2.3 kit, and it should be making about 600, between 600 and 650 of rear wheel horsepower. It's hard to give you an exact until I actually get it to a dyno.
That's just an insane amount of horsepower, though. Yeah. Either way, it'll be fast. It'll be fast enough to probably blow the stock rear end out. I have to blow the stock trans up, and when the trans goes, I don't care what I have to do. I'll get a Tremec transmission in there, because all you Mustang guys know the MT82 sucks. Joey, his car's louder.
Yeah.
All right, here's someone else coming. This is Yusef. He's a big fan of ours.
Where should we
This is the real car here.
Can you pull in there?
All right, this is Yusef. We've actually never met before. What's up?
How are you?
Good.
I haven't seen you in like a year, over a year. Really?
Yeah.
I thought you
We've
said
met before.
I thought you said you never have. All right, so I just gathered everything I need to go film, and we're about to leave. And really quick though, I want to show you guys that exhaust leak I had. I should have got on video, but
How do you feel it?
I have where the cat connects to
Yeah,
the header. It would just rusted off, so I just disconnected it. So listen to it. I just pulled the pipe to the side. It smells like. No, like look what happened. It literally like rusted off.
But like suddenly, like
It like suddenly happened out of nowhere. There was no reason for this to happen. So I just pulled it to the side and like it's just open, but it's like so loud. So I'm gonna go if I can and put it back. There. Now at least it's gonna be like kind of contained.
Here,
So Betsy died.
stop. This does not need to be in the vlog.
Definitely going to love. See ya. Rip it!
You're gonna be able to hear it.
Alright. Is it on?
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on, I think.
Are you
You
serious?
can't even hear it. Wow, we're used to loud cars. Okay, so I think we're pretty much done filming still shots.
Alright.
Is there anything like specific that you wanted like to get?
Well, I wanted to get pictures of it. Like right now with the sun, it would have to be in a shaded spot because it's too harsh. It's too harsh to take pictures of the car in the sunlight.
Well, down that way. There's like a shady.
But like I said, I left
spot.
my camera at home, so you'd be taking most of the pictures, and whatever I get's gonna be on my cell phone. So.
Okay. You know where we could go after this? Well, actually, we want to film your car first, and then.
Prius. And then it'll be.
Remember the pond?
Yeah, your Prius.
Yeah, where we've been fishing before.
I wasn't with you guys, but yeah. All right, so I have to import the footage because I only have a 4 GB SD card with me. Ew. So I have to put it onto the laptop and then clear it so I can film more. But we already got what is this? 3.1 gigabytes. That's a lot of gigabytes of footage. That's a lot of gigabytes of footage.
You filming again?
Yeah, I'm filming.
I'm all nervous.
You're all nervous. You got a story to tell.
No, yeah, I was going to use the fine facilities here at this here baseball field, and I walked in on a middle-aged man taking a nice dump.
Fine facility.
No, you actually had me tricked though. I thought there was one in there.
Yeah.
There was. I just peed between his legs.
Ew. All right, well, Brandon's here.
What's up, dude? I'm Joe, by the way.
Joe?
Joe.
Joe.
Okay, so Brandon is going for a ride with Joey in the Mustang to get scared. Yeah, like that. And we are gonna film the rollers of Yusuf's Corolla. No, I've never filmed like. It's okay. Like just a basic car, so it's kind of different, you know. Just taking it easy, going slow, no passes or anything. Just a Corolla. Oh, look at him. Oh, look at him. He's speeding up. Okay, Brandon and Joey are going for a ride in the Infinity. Oh, yeah, wait, hold on. I don't think... No, does the vlog know? Yeah, the vlog knows.
The vlog knows, but we
Okay.
haven't done a review.
But we haven't done a review. Actually, I still haven't
video.
edited that vlog. It's like almost
Oh,
done.
really?
It's not uploaded yet.
Yusuf, get on him.
Yeah. He always, whenever like it's more than like a week without posting a vlog.
Daily upload, please.
Yes.
I don't do enough interesting stuff.
No,
What
our life
what is
isn't
he
that
doing?
interesting.
Wait, why is he driving on the grass?
Did he do that on purpose?
Yeah.
Oh, to turn around. That thing sounds good.
Can I drive Betsy?
I feel like it's
You
illegal.
want to?
Yeah.
Sure.
Oh
You
wait.
stand back here?
Yeah, I guess I'll stay back here.
Insurance in neutral.
That power steering, I see that.
Yes, it has power steering.
Terrible turning radius.
Wait, what field are we going?
No, I'm kidding. Just go take it for a drive.
Safety first.
Safety
He
first.
doesn't drive straight.
Oh, this is a Tesla. It drives by itself.
Okay, how was the drive? I want to know.
It was interesting.
Interesting.
I've never been in a car where someone goes so fast over potholes.
Yeah. Yep. That's what he does. He goes really fast over potholes, but
Nah, he scared me in the
See,
in
the
the
thing about
turns.
potholes
the
is
turns are
just-
really scary, right?
When you go over potholes fast enough, the wheel kind of just like skips over it. You know,
you're
when you go
going-
slow
Yeah, but if
enough,
you're
it,
going
like,
through, if you're going over
just,
potholes through
just
like
don't give
a
it the
curve
time
though,
to
then
like
you're just
dip
like,
in. You know,
Get
like
him
once
too
you get
fast, you've been destroyed.
Think your
Yeah.
wheels are bent?
But no, there was one time I got really scared, and it actually wasn't even his fault. We were coming around
Oh
a
yeah,
turn.
the other guy.
In Homedale, Mexico. We were coming around a turn, and we were probably doing about 75, 80, and there was a guy in a truck, and he took the turn early, so his front wheels started coming over the yellow line. It's like, oh! That was the most scared I got. It wasn't even his fault.
really?
Yeah.
No, that was funny.
You know, I give her respect for like driving this as a daily driver, but when I was driving, it felt like I was driving like a clunker, where everything just fall apart.
You feel the rear suspension?
Yeah.
Leaf spring and torsion.
And then it's like. It is.
And
That's
my
why it's
foot was about to go through the floor, and the car wasn't going anywhere.
Oh yeah. Look, my favorite thing though is like I love slow
That's how my
cars.
Toyota is fun.
It was funny.
Sorry, babe.
It's okay. No, I'm glad that like other people drive my car and they're
We
like,
still
damn.
love Betsy.
Yeah, we love Betsy. Look at her.
Ew.
She has a ratchet strap hanging from her and everything.
She's ratchet.
She's so ratchet.
Tell you what, this farmer doesn't like us a little one bit right now because I drove through his field. I did 2 flybys past him, and then he did a flyby past him.
All the time.
Okay, so we're pretty much done filming, but we're gonna do this photo shoot with this whole lineup here.
Look at them all.
It's a very diverse lineup. I'll say that. We have American Muscle, Japanese economy car or Asian economy car, American truck, and a luxury sports car. Right? Interesting lineup.
Wait,
You're leaving, right?
Our ways.
All right, man. It was
see
cool
you next
meeting you.
Thursday, right?
Yeah, next Thursday.
It'd be really sad if David comes with me.
Yes. Do it. Not you.
The
Corolla.
Corolla! Whoa!
Tell me.
Bye, Yusuf. Backing in is the new trend. I'm sorry, I feel so bad for
I
this
like
Honda.
your reverse lights. They're like white.
I felt really bad for this Honda because we're all backing in. She's waiting for us.
Whatever.
Yeah, Brandon's reverse lights are kind of ugly.
Yeah, I parked pretty close to the line. I'm probably on the line.
Like $1,400, and then the rest is on my credit card that I've been paying off for the last couple of months. I ordered it like 2
New,
months ago, and it's just coming
head
today.
gasket.
They built that supercharger. I just bought 2 orders.
Okay, so we just finished eating at our local La Rosa. Shout out to them for having really good food. And right
Yeah,
now,
sponsor us.
yeah, Jevin.
Oh my God,
what is
what?
going on?
Whoa, look at that flat tire.
Whoa, that's super flat. I've never seen a tire so flat before. Like,
How many? Okay, I'm not gonna say that. Comment down below what you think I was gonna say.
comment below. Oh, it smells so good. Alright, so we're about to take some pictures. He's doing a quick detail.
That's a sound.
Whoa, the pops and crackles.
Yeah, that's.
Spun first gear.
Yeah, that was a lot of spin.
If you got it into second any faster, we would have been to the fucking person's yard.
Alright, being in the backseat is...
That
There's a lot more
sound is
whipping
so
action.
violent. Yeah, this is what I said while I was driving it. So while I was driving it, I was like thinking like nuclear bomb because it's so violent, and I was like, Germany, Japan, Russia. Every downshift, and you're like,
Yeah.
I mean, that's pretty spot on, right?
I'd say so.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got to keep in mind it's a live rear
Yeah.
axle car still, and I mean even with that said, I mean you drive Mustangs of the past, throw them into a corner, and you hop behind this thing, you think you're in something that can handle. Because my old Mustang had a fully built suspension, and that suspension stock handled better than my old car.
Wow.
So it just goes to show how far Ford brought a car with a live rear axle and was able to get it to at least tolerate a turn somewhat.
He's never in the area. Okay, so everything's wrapped up. Have everything that we filmed today and all the pictures we took. So gonna get home. I actually have some work to do, like work to do. So I'm gonna do that, make those templates. Then after that, I'm gonna upload the footage and go through it and sort it out. And we're also gonna watch Iron Man.
And I got sunburned.
Yeah, she got sunburned. Okay, guys, and that's pretty much it for the day. Just going through some footage here, and yeah, I'm excited to get this video going. It looks really good. Just going through the footage, I have some cool shots, so I'm excited to put this together and show you guys. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.